Hey guys, I am so excited. I finally got the first auto ship of the Diamond Press Ultimate Card Making Collection. Now, this auto ship was supposed to ship out in January. I'm not sure, I don't remember when in January, but I got it yesterday, day before yesterday. So maybe it's 3-4 weeks late, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know. But it's here. But you know, everything is so slow. So I'm just impressed that we're not waiting even longer, because the next one comes out next month in March. So this one is called It's a Celebration. Stamps, dies and stencils, and it is the birthday one. So I'm excited to take a look at it. Oh, so I forgot that it comes with a folder. So it looks like they're all going to come with a folder, so that'll be nice. A folder, and then the little index. All right, so all right, instructions, the folder, the little indexes that you can write on, and then it slides right in to this top strip here. So that's nice. I ordered the extras, the extra set, so now for sure I'll have enough. So we've got our stencils, our stamps, and of course our die cut folder, and our dies. So here it is. Look at the balloons. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different size balloons. This is huge. This will be great for cards and scrapbook layouts. Look at how nice and big these are. So this one says, happy birthday. And this one says, let's celebrate you. All right, so let's take a look at the instructions. So we've got the dies that we just talked about. Let's look at this one. I love these with the little dovetail and this little squiggly one. How cute is that? And this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies on this side. Oh, this is cute. So this little border here. So let's see, what are they saying? You take this. Oh, okay. So they're saying you can take this and it'll cut this out. Or you take this and put your words in and hold it in with washi tape, and then it will cut out like that. Let's celebrate you. Happy birthday to you. Or you can just do them individual by themselves if you don't want the border. So that is super cute. And then goes through the stencils. So this one is stars and confetti. This one is like pinwheel banners, and then the balloons. So they're showing that you can use them on not only the slimline cards, but the 5x7s and the A2s, which are your 5.5 by 4.25. So they're giving you an idea of what it would look like. So that's nice. That is very nice. And then this is the stamps. And how they combo them up. They've got happy and birthday. So happy birthday. And then optional additionals. There's a stamp that says, to my friend, from me to you, wishing you and have a wonderful day. So they're showing you can make happy birthday, my friend, happy birthday from me to you, wishing you a happy birthday, have a wonderful day. And the same with celebrate. It's time to celebrate. You're a wonderful reason to celebrate. Eat cake and celebrate. It's a party. Celebrate. Birthday celebration. Sunday birthday wishes. It's your special day. Hugs and wishes. Let's party. Hip hip hurrah and yay. Oh, look at how cute. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh, I just love that. All right, so let's take a look at these stamps. So birthday, that's a nice size. You know, the thing that I like about, well, there are many things I like about Diamond Press, but they make great stamps. They're nice and large, and dies too. They have great, great big dies. So that's a full 4 inches on that birthday. That's nice. And this hip hip hurrah is a little spot, about 3 1/8 by almost 1 3/4. Oh, celebrate. This is a nice big one too. That's a little over 4. It's your special day. Wow, that's almost 4.5. Hugs and wishes. I love that. Hugs and wishes, 3 inches. So we've got happy birthday, hip hip hurrah, celebrations, wishes, let's party, yay, hugs and wishes, it's your special day, celebrate. And then the little ones are, you're a wonderful reason to have a wonderful day. Sending, wishing you it's a party, eat cake, and from me to you, it's time to, and my friend. Those are really nice. Really nice. Let's see what size these dies are. If I can get this up. All right, so these are a full 8 1/4. So that will take the entire slimline. This one is the same, but if you just cut it for just the words, it's about 5. And the biggest balloon is 5 1/8, a little bit. And then the next size is 4 1/4. Three and a half. 2 3/4. 2. And then 1.5. Those are good size. So let's take a look at the stencils. I love that their stencils are so nice and big. And if only I could open this. There we go. It's like, why am I having such a hard time? I don't know. Let's see. All right, so they call this one confetti. I was right. This one they call pinwheel. This one they call streamers. And obviously this one they call balloons. So let's measure the stencils. They are almost 6 wide by 9.5. But the pattern actually goes 8 3/4 by 5 maybe half, 5.5. So nice size. It's much easier to have a stencil that's too big than to have one that you have to kind of piecemeal together if you want to use it on a larger card. So I'm really pleased. And I just love stencils, layering stencils, regular stencils. I just love. So I am pretty happy. So far, I love the original, the box that we got, and this one is just so cute and so gonna have lots of uses for it. So that's the Celebrate. Now in March, the next one is going to be Spring Blooms. Excuse me, hold on. I think all of these are going to be great, and I think we're looking at, let me look, 8. We're looking at 8 auto ships. So we've got every other month for the next year. Last one is March of next year, if of course they stay on track with them. So that's it. I'm pretty happy. I can't wait to play, and when I do, I'll do a video to show you guys. So if you picked up the Ultimate Collection, let me know how you like it. If you got the auto ships, let me know in the comments also if you got yours yet, and if you've had time to play with it. I'll be anxious to see what you've done with it. I'm just, like I said, I'm just really happy. I'm actually hoping that they come out. They have the boxes on sale, for sale again. I ended up, because I already had a marquee, I ended up getting just the regular auto ship box, which was the orange with the florals. But I'd like to get my hands on another box, so I could hold more of my Diamond Press collection in there, because I've got the window, the whole set of the window dies, and the I've just got a ton of diamond press. So anyway, so that's it for this time. Thank you for watching and taking the time. If you are a subscriber, I appreciate you subscribing. I do. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. So until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.